far beyond the quiet sky above our world, beyond the blue shimmer of Earth, and beyond the warm reach of the sun. Something ancient is moving through the darkness. It drifts the way a memory drifts, slowly, silently, untouched by the worlds it passes. It does not belong to our solar system. It does not share our history, our sun, or our planets. It comes from a place we will never see, from a star that may not even exist anymore. And yet, here it is, a silent wanderer carrying the cold of interstellar space, a traveler older than every civilization humans have ever known. Tonight, we are looking toward this visitor, a faint, glowing point wrapped in a mysterious green aura. Astronomers call it 3I Atlas, the third confirmed interstellar object to enter our solar system. But names do not capture what it truly is. It is a survivor of another sun, a relic from another world, a messenger from the deep night between the stars. And for the first time since its discovery, something has changed. Its light is fading. It is dimming as it approaches the sun, at the exact moment when every law of physics says it should brighten. No known comet does this. No natural object behaves this way, and every telescope that turns toward it sees the same mysterious decline. The question is simple: what is happening to 3I Atlas? And the answer is not simple at all. For months, 3I Atlas drifted quietly on the edge of the solar system. Its path was hyperbolic, meaning it came from somewhere far beyond the planets and would one day leave again forever. Only two objects have ever shown such a path before: Oumuamua and Comet Borisov. Both shocked the scientific world. Both carried secrets from beyond our sun. And now, a third traveler has arrived. When astronomers traced its trajectory backward, they discovered something astonishing. It had drifted through empty interstellar darkness for millions of years, maybe longer than humans have existed as a species. It may have been pushed out of another solar system by a collision, a dying star, or the gravitational pull of a giant planet. No one knows where it began its journey. No one knows what shaped it before it entered our skies. But when it arrived, it seemed calm, quiet, predictable, and then the dimming began. When comets approach the sun, their brightness increases. This is one of the simplest, most reliable rules of astronomy. Sunlight warms the surface, ice evaporates, gas escapes, a tail forms, and the object glows brighter as sunlight scatters off dust and vapor. But 3I Atlas is breaking that rule. Instead of brightening, it is fading. Its glow has dropped by 10%, then 20%, then much more. Large observatories across Europe, Asia, and North America report the same pattern. The object is getting darker every week, as if its surface is changing, as if something inside it is collapsing, as if it is trying to hide its own reflection from the sun. Some astronomers whisper quietly that the dimming is not just strange, it is impossible. But the data is clear. One idea suggests that the object is breaking apart. If it were a loosely held rubble pile, sunlight could disturb it. Small fragments might drift away, reducing its reflective surface. But if it were falling apart, we would see debris, turbulence, dust, or asymmetry in its glow. We see none of that. 3I Atlas looks smooth, stable, unbroken, as if nothing is happening at all. Another idea proposes that the object is made of unusual material, something not found in comets from our solar system. Perhaps its surface contains elements or compounds formed around another star. Perhaps it reflects sunlight differently. Perhaps it absorbs more light than it should. But if that is true, what kind of world created it? And how many more like it drift through the darkness waiting to be discovered? A third possibility is even stranger. 3-eye atlas may be releasing invisible gas. Some chemical reactions produce gases that don't scatter light or form visible tails. If such gas is escaping, it could subtly change the object's brightness without leaving any visible trace. Silent outgassing. No tail. No plume. No glow. But again, no evidence confirms this. We only know the light is fading. One detail makes everything even more mysterious: the green light that surrounds it. Many comets glow green because of diatomic carbon, a molecule that shines emerald when sunlight hits it. But the glow around 3-eye atlas is different. It is too smooth, too even, too perfectly shaped. Typical comet glow flickers, shifts, stretches into a tail. This one forms a faint but stable shell, as if something is holding the gas tightly around the object. Why would an interstellar object hold a spherical cloud of glowing carbon? Why does it not drift into a tail like every other comet? And why is the dimming happening at the same time? The questions multiply. The answers refuse to appear. Meanwhile, 3-eye atlas moves closer to the inner solar system. Not on a collision path, not a threat, just a visitor passing peacefully by. But with every passing hour, its dimming grows more dramatic. Some telescopes now report more than a 35 to 40% decline in brightness compared to earlier months. This is not normal behavior, not even close. Neither Oumuamua nor Borisov showed anything like this. No other interstellar object has ever dimmed while approaching the sun. This is new. This is unprecedented. This is a message written in fading light. Some astronomers quietly speculate that the object may be collapsing internally. Perhaps its core is hollow. Perhaps ancient ice pockets are giving way. Perhaps the structure that held it together across millions of years is weakening as sunlight finally reaches the interior. If the inside of 3-eye atlas is changing, it could cause the surface to darken, fragment, or seal over. Such processes are incredibly rare, but not impossible. And if it is collapsing inward, something dramatic could happen in the coming months. A sudden brightening, a violent breakup, a release of trapped gas, or something we've never seen. Others believe rotation may be key. If one side is dark and the object is tumbling irregularly, its brightness could drop as the dark side faces Earth. But the dimming is too smooth, too continuous, not the rhythmic pattern of rotation. So rotation does not explain the mystery either. There is also a quieter, more poetic idea. Sometimes, in the universe, objects behave strangely just before they reveal something extraordinary. A comet may dim before it suddenly flares into brilliance. A fragment may appear stable before it breaks in a silent flash. A dormant core may awaken exactly when sunlight reaches a critical depth. 3-eye atlas may be entering such a phase. Its fading glow may be the calm before a transformation. Perhaps it is hiding something beneath its surface, something that will only appear when the sun warms it enough. Perhaps a new tail will erupt suddenly. Perhaps its ancient interior will crack open, releasing material trapped since the birth of another star. Or perhaps this is simply how an interstellar object behaves. Perhaps nothing in our solar system can be used to compare or predict its path. For astronomers, this moment is precious. Interstellar objects are not just rocks or ice. They are messengers from other suns. They carry chemistry from alien environments. They reveal clues about worlds we will never step on, never orbit, never see with our own eyes. Studying 3-eye atlas is like reading a chapter from the history of another star system. Every measurement, every reflection curve, every decline in brightness, every spectral line tells us something about where it came from, what it is made of, and how it has survived its unimaginable journey. Its dimming may reveal secrets about the materials that form around distant stars. Its glow may teach us how interstellar objects age. its behavior may help us understand how many such visitors pass through the galaxy unseen. For now, the object continues its peaceful drift. Its green shimmer fades softly. Its surface remains silent. Its path remains steady. There is no danger, just wonder, just curiosity, just the quiet beauty of an ancient traveler passing through our neighborhood for the first and last time. As you imagine it moving through the darkness, picture the stillness around it. No sound, no air, no wind, just a lonely fragment of another world gliding through empty space. Its glow darkening as the sun warms it for the first time in millions of years. Imagine how long it has traveled, how many stars it has passed in silence, how many cosmic storms it has survived, how many billions of kilometers it has drifted with nothing but darkness around it. And now it is here, just for a moment, just long enough for us to wonder about its origin, its journey, its fading light. Soon it will continue onward, back into the deep cold between the stars, back into regions where sunlight cannot reach, back into the eternal night. But the mystery it brings will remain, and the questions it raises will echo for years. As we end this calm cosmic journey, remember that the universe is full of travelers like this, drifting through the dark, waiting for a moment when a distant civilization will notice them. 3 Idlus is only the third we have found. It will not be the last. And each visitor will bring new clues, new mysteries, new stories written in starlight. Thank you for joining this quiet exploration. Sleep peacefully beneath the same stars this ancient traveler has crossed for ages. Good night from the endless universe.